10 unusual habits to lose weight without diet or exercise. The struggle is real when you're trying to lose weight. Doing what feels like hours of boring and repetitive exercises on top of trying just about any diet out there simply aren't giving you the results you're looking for. Well, it looks like it's time to employ some alternative, perhaps a little weird, methods to get rid of excess weight once and for all. What do I mean by weird? How about smelling apples before meals or changing the color of your plates? Hey, this stuff has been tested and proven to work. So if you're interested in getting to know some unconventional weight loss tips, then just keep on watching. Starting at number 1, make a water drinking schedule. I know you've heard it time and time again, but there really is a reason why people always tell you to drink more water. Upping your water intake is one of the cheapest yet most effective ways to shed unwanted pounds. Water helps you burn more calories and reduces your appetite. The hardest part is remembering to give your body regular doses of the H2O it desperately needs. But don't worry, we've got you covered on how to make that easier. Here's a sample water intake regimen that you can add to your daily routine. Drink 2 glasses of water with lemon in the morning to wake your body up, hydrate your empty stomach, and boost metabolism. Have 1 glass before lunch at around 11 a.m. so you don't overeat. After lunch, drink 2 glasses because this will help with digestion. At 4 p.m., drink again to hold yourself over between lunch and dinner. And you absolutely need to hydrate at dinner time or after to help the food move easily and make your stomach feel lighter. Number 2, smell green apples or bananas before your meals. Yep, you don't have to eat it, just smell it. Whether you find this ridiculous or not, smelling foods like bananas or apples before mealtime will ease your hunger, making you eat less than you would have otherwise. This technique is scientifically proven by Dr. Alan Hirsch, a neurologist and director of the Smell and Taste Treatment and Research Foundation in Chicago. His research began with 3,193 overweight volunteers who he instructed to sniff bananas, green apples, and peppermint whenever they felt hungry. After 6 months, some of them lost as much as 100 pounds. So how do you like them apples? Number 3, light a vanilla candle before dinner. This might sound absurd considering how much vanilla goes into different cakes, muffins, and puddings. But one study found that the vanilla scent works wonders when you're trying to lose weight. It activates different chemical reactions in the brain, making you feel less hungry. It can specifically help you tone down your sweet cravings, according to ICU dietitian Catherine Collins, who led the study. If you want to give it a try, buy some vanilla patches or light a vanilla candle before or during dinner. As an added bonus, it'll give you a nice serene atmosphere while you enjoy your meal. Number 4, take pictures of your dishes. Now you have one more reason, and a valid one, to upload your latest food conquest online just like so many people do on social media. But how can a simple picture bring the number on the scale down for you? Well, when you're trying to get the best shot to share on your social networking page, you can't help but notice the details of your food. And this is perfect since it might make you stop for a second and rethink what you're about to eat. If you've got a bunch of pictures on your page of pizza slices and hamburgers dripping in globs of grease or anything else over the top, you just might be swayed to change your ways and start picking healthier options. Number 5, buy some blue plates. If you surround yourself with the color blue, like putting up blue wallpaper or eating from blue plates, you'll lose weight much faster. A study found that the color blue is an appetite suppressant, which means it'll help you feel less hungry. As for what colors you should avoid, definitely red, yellow, and orange, which you might have noticed are the go-to color for fast food chains. Well, that's because they stimulate your appetite and make you eat more. Try using smaller plates too. You know how we've all been programmed from childhood to clean our plates? Well, you can totally do that and eat less if you use a smaller plate. It's like tricking your own brain. Number 6, eat eggs for breakfast and spicy foods for lunch. It's been proven time after time that having eggs for breakfast helps achieve faster weight loss. Not only are eggs low in calories, they're also really filling and hold you off for a longer time. That means you won't feel tempted to snack in between meals. Plus, they're full of vitamins A, D, E, and B12, as well as protein, zinc, and iron. That's why experts consider the egg a superfood. And if you combine that little trick with eating something with chili or red pepper for lunch, not all the time though, it'll speed up your metabolism, helping you achieve your dream body faster. Spicy foods or the ingredients used to make them contain capsaicin, which helps suppress hunger and increase satiety. But if you don't like spicy foods, then settling on eggs will do just fine. Number 7, think of some challenges that will motivate you more. Let's be honest, exercising and being careful of what you eat is a lot of work, and it can be downright tedious. Well, all you gotta do is tweak your workout routine or diet plan by adding some quirky challenges to make them more fun. Try doing 10 push-ups for every potato in your dinner, or run up and down the stairs 5 times for every time you enjoy a candy bar. If you make it fun, you won't even notice that you're burning calories. Number 8, sleep in a cold room. Yes, you can lose weight by sleeping, and it's actually pretty easy. The trick here is that if your body is surrounded by cold, it produces more heat to warm you up, which helps you burn calories. It's as simple as that. Just take it from the United States National Institutes of Health. According to their research, sleeping in a cold room can activate and increase the body's brown fat, which, in turn, speeds up metabolism. Level up this cool challenge by covering yourself with a thinner blanket or sleeping naked. Bring on the smaller pant size. Number 9, chew slowly and thoroughly. It's natural to wolf down a meal because of a hectic schedule, especially on work or school days. Yet it's been proven that if it takes you longer to eat and you consume your food slowly, you'll have an easier time losing weight. This is based on studies from the Department of Healthcare Administration and Management at Kyushu University's Graduate School of Medical Sciences. It's all due to the fact that chewing slowly and thoroughly gives your stomach enough time to tell the brain that it's full. That, in turn, makes you eat less. Ideally, it should take you around 20 minutes to finish a meal. Savor and enjoy your food and get the most out of each bite. Number 10, drink a glass of wine daily. That's right, folks. This is based on a joint study conducted by Brigham and Women's Hospital and the Harvard School of Public Health. They found out that a glass of wine a day can help you lose weight faster. Just don't overdo it, since the same study found that people who drank more than 2 glasses of wine daily struggled more when dieting versus those who didn't drink at all or had just 1 or 2 glasses. So, if you're of age, cheers to a slimmer waistline. Do you know of any other weight loss tricks that people can incorporate into their daily habits? Please let us know in the comments below. If you learned something useful from this video, be sure to give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hang out with us on the